Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, we'll be covering what is Gaussian Mixture Model. Guys, I have uploaded complete speech and video processing subject tutorials. I'll provide that link in description. You can watch from there. If you are watching this video for the first time, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. Gaussian Mixture Model is a probabilistic model that represents complex data using a combination of multiple Gaussian distributions, that is nothing but bell-shaped curves. It assumes that data is generated from different groups and each group follows a Gaussian pattern. Guys, I will give one simple example so that you can clearly understand this definition. Guys, this model will work based on probability. For example, whenever I speak hello, this model will compare this word with whatever the words that are present in this model. For example, this model also contains hello. Guys, in this model, all similar words are placed in one group. So total there are various groups. If we consider this group contains hello, 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 etc. All are similar words. So whenever person speak hello, based on this pattern, this word is compared with all the words that are present in this group. By applying mean formula, pitch and energy is calculated. Based on match, system will understand that word. Guys, in this model, the word hello is considered as complex data. This complex data is divided into various parts. From this each part, Gaussian curve is identified, and from each Gaussian curve, pitch and energy is calculated. For example, for this part, pitch is 120 Hz, and for this 125 Hz, and for O, pitch is 130 Hz. There are three parts by 3. So average mean for pitch is 125 Hz, and whereas energy is 0.7. And for some other words like hello, pitch is 198 Hz and energy is 0.9. And for word hello, pitch is 215 Hz and energy is 0.8. And whenever I spoke hello, this hello is divided into various parts, and each part is represented by Gaussian distribution, that is nothing but Gaussian curve. From that, mean is calculated for each part. Mean is calculated for energy and mean is calculated for pitch. For example, pitch is 124 Hz and energy is 0.7. If you observe here, whatever the data I spoke, for this pitch and energy is 124 and 0.7, and whatever the data that is present in this model, for this word hello, pitch is 125 Hz and energy is 0.7. If you observe this, both are similar, 124 and 125. And here 124, 198, not similar, and 124, 215, not similar. So here there is probability match. For example, probability match is 95%. So based on the system will understand that person spoken word hello. So this model will work based on probability. If there is probability match, based on the system will identify that word. And whatever we speak, we call it as complex data. From that complex data, multiple Gaussian curves are created. From that curve, mean is calculated for pitch and energy, and based on that, probability is identified. So Gaussian mixture model is a probabilistic model that will work based on probability, where complex data, that is nothing but whatever the data we speak, that is represented as multiple Gaussian distributions, that is nothing but multiple Gaussian curve. This is how hello is represented, H-E, L-L-O. 3 Gaussian curves are created. From this, probability is calculated. It assumes that data is generated from different groups and each group follow different Gaussian pattern. This model contains various kinds of data, and various data is placed in various groups based on Gaussian pattern. As all these are similar, they are placed in this group. This is how this model will work. At first, data is divided into multiple groups, and each group is represented by Gaussian curve. And at last, all these curves are combined for final result. After combining all these curves, final result is identified. For word hello, H is one curve, E is one curve, and LLO is one curve. And at last, all these curves are combined in order to represent hello. And this is formula for probability. P of x is equal to W1 G1 of x, W2 G2 of x, so on WK GK of x. Guys, where G1 represents Gaussian curve and W1 is weight. Based on importance, some weights are given. For example, for word hello, H is considered as G1 of x, LL is considered as G2 of x, and O is considered as G3 of x. For example, in this complete word, O is important. So for this weight is given 10, and LL weight is 8, and HE weight is 9. Based on importance, some weights are given to each and every part, and final value is calculated by doing sum for all these parts. This Gaussian distribution is considered as normal distribution. Each part is represented as bell-shaped curve, and data is identified based on mean. For example, each and every speech contains various features like what is pitch, what is energy, etc. And for each part, mean is calculated. I already told this example how mean is calculated. So for word HE, pitch is 120 Hz, and for LL, pitch is 125 Hz, and for O, pitch is 130 Hz. So 120 plus 125 plus 130 by 3, that equal to 125. This is overall pitch value of word hello. This is example. Our model is trained like for hello, mean pitch for hello is 120 Hz and energy is 0.7. And whenever I speak hello, this model will extract features like pitch is 122 Hz and energy is 0.72 Hz. These both values are compared, and if values are nearby, then there is word match. So 122 Hz and 120 both are close, and 0.7 to 0.7 both are close. So probability is high. System will say that this is hello. For example, whenever we say hi and hello both are compared, and there is huge difference between pitch and energy. So there is low probability, and system will identify that word is not hello. Guys, by using variance, system will identify that our voice is steady, that is our voice is in flat tone, or our voice is changing. For first part, pitch is 124, and for second part, pitch is 125, and for third word, pitch is 126. So for each and every parts, there is small variation. So system will identify that word is in flat tone, and for some other word, pitch is 100, 125, 150. Here pitch is highly changing for each and every part. So here variation is high. So after applying mean and variance, the classic Gaussian's formula is applied. Based on the system will decide that whether there is word match or not. You can write this formula in exam. We use GMM in speech recognition in order to convert speech to text, and in speaker identification to identify person who is speaking, and in emotion detection based on patterns, this model will identify whether person is happy or sad or angry or etc. And this model can also do sound classification, like it will divide music, noise, speech, etc. And this model can also do audio processing and noise modeling, where this model will separate noise from our speech. So voice clarity will be improved.